To send money and Kucoin. Start by opening your Paper Lab and logging into your account. Click on the wallet icon at the bottom of the screen to view your paper balance. From there, select the Add Banks and Cards option, which will give you the choice to add either a bank account or debit card. Either option works. For example, if you choose to link your bank account, you will be shown a list of banks to select from, and then you can enter your bank details to link your account. Next, you need to transfer your paper balance to your bank account. To do this, click on your balance, which will take you to a screen showing your available paper balance. Click the Transfer button at the bottom of the screen, and then select the Transfer Money option. You will be asked to choose a transfer speed. Faster speed incurs a 25-cent fee, while slow speed is free. After selecting your transfer speed, choose the bank account or debit card you linked earlier, and then click the Transfer button at the bottom of the screen. Once you receive the money in your bank account, open your Kucoin app and click on the Assets option. Select Deposit to add money to your Kucoin account. On the deposit screen, click on the Paid option, and then select the cryptocurrency or currency you want to deposit. Choose a payment method, either easy bank transfer or regular bank transfer, and enter the amount you want to deposit. Click on the Add Bank Account option, and then select your bank account to link it and make the transfer. This will complete the process of transferring money from paper to your Kucoin account.